Welcome to the great indoors. This week I'll be competing in the U.S. Open of Surfing. So who better to talk to than pro surfing couple Bruna and Dane Zaun. So guys, can you help me out here?
Hey Wade, we are here to talk you through your first heat at the U.S. Open of Surfing. You're already late, so leave your car at the parking lot on hazards.
Don't forget your surfboard, fins, leash, and wax. And what I'd say most importantly, your best noise-canceling headphones to get you in the zone.
Get your jersey and start your warm-up. You can stretch, you can jump, you can dance, whatever you need to do to get your nerves out. You're ready to pedal out, so think about your strategy.
To catch as many waves as possible, but make sure they're good. And when the set of the day comes and you have priority, make sure you go for the crowd pleaser, the big air.
Woo! Congratulations, Wade! You won your first heat at the U.S. Open of Surfing.
We did it, Bruna and Dane! We did it!